Hello and welcome to Thrively. Thrively was founded on the core philosophy that every child has a genius and they deserve to thrive. We do this by identifying strengths, supporting well-being, and instilling hope. Our mission is to bring a paradigm shift into education through asset-based learning. With a strengths-based approach, every community is valuable. Every person has strengths and potential. One of the ways we support this mission is through Thrively Journals, a powerful tool that nurtures student voice, reflection, and connection. Let's dive in and explore how journals can help you build deeper relationships and more reflective learners. Journals allow you to bring together different features of Thrively to help students become thoughtful communicators. Our purpose is to empower students by helping them build positive self-identities and developing the ability to reflect on their strengths. With journaling, students can recognize and leverage their strengths, tap into their unique abilities, and develop positive habits of mind. Thrively has updated our journals to offer an organized and easy-to-use feature. On your dashboard, you can find journals by going to the toolbar on the left, selecting Build Agency and Journals. Here, you can see journals from lessons and playlists you've assigned your students. Thrively offers a vast collection of ready-to-use lessons, all easily accessible on our platform. These lessons give students the opportunity to provide their reflection in multiple ways, whether by typing, selecting an image, recording a video, or capturing audio. On your left-hand side, you have access to any journals you have created. This is a resource that can be used for many things, including questions related to content or even a question of the day. By clicking Create Journal, we can create our own customized journal prompt. Here, you can add a journal name and the reflection question you want students to consider. You can choose whether to make student responses visible to each other or to keep them private. You can also add the journal to a playlist. To make it more engaging, feel free to include an image as well. As we go down to the left side, you can also refine the search by searching for specific journals. You can see only unread journals if you'd like. You can also adjust the date of a journal prompt or exclude the hope and well-being check-ins so you have a more direct search. You can also search for a title to find something specific. Now that you've explored our journals feature, your students have a powerful tool for reflection and meaningful communication with you. Let's use this to cultivate reflective learners who understand themselves, their growth, and their goals. Thank you for your continued commitment to asset-based learning and strengths-based education. Let's humanize learning together. We look forward to partnering with you to create strengths-based, joyful, and hopeful classrooms so that every child thrives. Please reach out to us at thrively.com or thrive@thrively.com. Our students are waiting on us.